Hey baby, how's it going? I hope it's going well. Yeah, that's good. Nothing much for me, just some minor, rearrangements due to bad circumstances. Either way, nothing crazy, I guess. Just the typical stuff. Like nature's wind picking up and carrying the leaves along with it. Speaking of leaves, have you ever just taken a look at nature and its leaves and its plants? It's like a cherishing memory of beauty, I guess. If you ever look at a leaf, it's so complex, yet simple. A shape given by evolution. And that shape is what nature decided was best for it. Like a natural roll of life. This needs to be this, and that's that. It's nice. Sometimes you don't really get to enjoy the little things. Even if it may seem like you enjoy them actually a lot. At least in my opinion, I don't get to, but at least in moderation, I do. I get to enjoy the outdoors by just viewing it from a distance. Everything about it. From maybe the less significant things like how the sky looks today, or maybe how the trees are swaying, how the wind is pulling them. But I never get to really look and say that I'm really looking at life. Now that might be because I just don't go outside often, as you know, but who knows? Maybe one of these days I'll be able to start traveling on my own again. You can come with me, of course, and I'm not gonna leave you behind, okay? I'm just saying one of these days that maybe I might want to take a trip for the long road. Enjoy nature. Maybe just go absent for a while. Visit the greenery I've always wanted. It'd be nice. But, as you know, dreams are hard to come by, and sometimes even harder to fulfill. But that's okay. I've got one of my dreams already filled in, and I'm talking to them right now. Isn't that right? Yeah, my precious little darling. Well, anyways, the birds are certainly having fun, aren't they? Look at that one. I can't wait to take you on plane rides. Take you high above the clouds and just bring you to my dreamscape. But we'll have to wait a few years for that. I'm still working on that one, so it's gonna take some time. But time makes everything good, right? So why not visit time with a little bit of hope? Especially some hope that you'll eat 2 meals today, eat 2 meals tomorrow, get plenty of something to drink, and get 8 hours of sleep. Okay? I love you. Have a good night.